What's up guys, I'm Han. Today I'm going to show you guys how to quick off an object guys. Not on the ground but off something. So before you guys try this, make sure you guys are warmed up. And make sure you guys do it somewhere safe like a gym if you have one, with mats. Or if you have a mattress like a bed or sand. Somewhere that's safe and soft so you don't get hurt before trying out here. I'm going to show you guys one real fast and we'll get started guys. Okay, let's get started. So the first step is you want to find an object. You don't want maybe not too low when you're first starting, not too high, you know, somewhere where you're comfortable guys. Like maybe your chest height guys, somewhere that's medium height, you know. So after you find like a object that's you're comfortable at, you're gonna get on top of it. The first step is you gotta find out what's your strong leg. So I'm gonna teach you it the right side. My right leg's my strong leg, so I'm teaching that way. If your left leg's your strong leg, just do everything I say except the other way. So after you find your strong leg, the first step you're gonna do is you're gonna have your left foot front, your right foot back. You're kind of starting like at an angle, guys. So it's kind of a little bit sideways, not like facing straight, but a little bit sideways. The second step is your right foot. You're gonna step forwards, right at the object, like the obstacle wherever you're at. Right here, you don't want to put too hard because you can slip, so you gotta be careful. So your right foot, you're gonna step forward. After you step forward, then your left foot, you're gonna plant. You're gonna plant your left foot right on top of the object, and you're gonna swing it on its back at the same time. So let's go back slowly. Right foot, step, and your left foot is gonna step at the edge actually, not your right foot. So your left foot is gonna step at the edge like this. You're gonna swing it all at the same time like that. So after you step your left foot at the edge and you swing on its back like this, your right leg should be back, ready to kick. So basically you're basically be facing sideways. So since you're facing this way, right with swing on its back, your left foot should be facing your body, you should be facing sideways this way. Arm should be back, your right leg should be back. After you get that motion down, you know, when you're comfortable, then it's the kick. You're gonna kick your leg across, kind of across your ear. That's how I do it. Some people kick straight up and over, wrap, but I kind of kick across my ear like this. So you're gonna kick like, I don't know if you can see, you're basically gonna kick like this. Your left ear. Since you're kicking your right foot, you kick like that. You're gonna kick, I'm gonna kick across, swing up, you're gonna swing up too, at the same time when you kick. Then you're gonna wrap with a twist, guys. You're gonna wrap with a twist, kind of punching over your shoulder and looking over your shoulder too at the same time. Wrap like that. When you kick, you're gonna, after you kick your feet, bring your both feet together. When you look over your shoulder, wrap like this. You should spin horizontally. You want to be horizontal. And it's kind of about the feel. After that, it's a landing, guys. Now it's all about the feel. And when you see the ground, you open up. You land on the ball of your feet. Knees slightly bent, so it doesn't hit the legs, ball of your feet. Should land nice and sweet. So let's go back slowly. So your left foot's gonna be front, your right foot back. Step forwards, you know, right here. Your left foot's gonna step on the edge. Swing your right leg back, your arms back sometimes. Gonna kick, you know. You want to keep kicking over as hard as you can. The harder you kick, the easier it's gonna be. So you want to kick as hard as you can, over, all the way over. You're gonna wrap, swing, wrap. Look over your shoulder. And keep your legs together like a pencil. You know, you want the straighter you are, the better. You should see the ground or feel the ground out. Release, land, ball of your feet, not flat footed, ball of your feet, release a little bit. Should land nice and sweet. So I'll demonstrate one last time, guys. Alright, hopefully that helps you guys out. Leave a comment. I'll see you guys next time.